Shelby American updates its Mustang-based Super Snake for 2018 to give the already potent muscle car an even more venomous look. Plus, customers can now spec the machine with as much as 800 horsepower to 50 horsepower more than the previous range topper. The amble power comes from Ford's 5.0-litre V8, and a supercharger boosts the output to 710 horsepower in standard trim. The 800 horsepower tune is an additional upgrade, and the company estimates that the coupe can reach 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds with it. To produce this muscle reliably, Shelby adds a new radiator, heat exchanger, and performance half shafts. A set of Brembo brakes have 6 piston calipers up front and 4 piston units in the rear. The 2018 Super Snake features a new front fascia that includes a new section with Shelby branding at the bottom of the grille. A more complex lower section includes multiple ducts for directing cool air to the brakes and engine. There are also revised side sills, an updated wing, and a tweaked diffuser at the back. The company fits the cars with 20-inch forged wheels with either a black or bright metallic finish. The new Super Snake starts at $113,445, a figure that includes the Mustang donor car. In addition to the 800 horsepower upgrade, buyers can choose from options like painted stripes, a wide body kit, track suspension, and a car cover.